What's, whoa, holy crap, did you see that minor detonation? What's going on? Back on the 5.0 Tussin YouTube channel so we can feed the god dang algorithm. Does it ever stop? Is the algorithm ever full? I don't think so. Man, doesn't roll. Moving on. Our fuel pump leaking, locked. So we bought one of these completely overpriced Holley kits that comes. We actually bought the vein kit because it was almost the same price, sort of, as the one that has the pressure valve and stuff in it. They both come with a gasket. They just come with different parts. Insanely overpriced. Can't just buy the gasket, which blows my mind, but it is what it is. So our gasket was leaking. We're going to fix that. We also need to fix our battery box. We need to find a boat, and we need to rob the box from that boat and put it in here. So, and we might take the spoiler off and put the Pro Stock scoop on and put the other hood on. Just, I don't know, because we have a test and tune tomorrow, and well, for you guys it won't be tomorrow, but for me it'll be tomorrow. Originally it was supposed to be radial prep both lanes, and of course we weren't going to go to that, and we started working on something else. But as our luck would have it, Joey changed his mind, and now it's slick one lane, radial the other lane. And I really thought about taking the fail TD, and I said, you know what? Let's give maybe another car a chance. Oh, we got just a clutch on this too. Crap, I forgot about that. Clutch is we need to adjust the clutch. Crap, that kind of sucks because we got brain on, you know, whatever. We'll figure it out. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna fix this or whatever, and then we're gonna do other stuff. So we'll be right back. Got our gasket on now. Let's see if it'll start up. Let's make a little smoke. Losing fuel pressure. Hey, guess what? Why do you guys tell me that? Our phone got a little heated. So we fixed the leak. The gasket was out of position. We got that fixed. We got some hinges. I didn't feel like, because I don't know 100% where we're going to end up with this particular thing right here. I didn't want to mount the back side of it with hood pins, so I decided to go back with the hinges. So we'll get this somewhat bolted together, see where we're at, and then go from there. The clutch, I don't know what happened. We may have lost the locking nuts, gone off the cable, so I don't know. We're gonna have to move the hood pins out, or actually just relocate them all the way around. So let me work on doing a little Tussin restorations, alignment work. You know it's going to be mint when I'm done. I know everybody's not going to be happy with this situation, but man, it's a combination of two great automobiles. Pro Stock and Trojan horse. Oh my gosh. Hey, I like it. Well, we gotta put a scoop on it, so whatever. Let's get to it. We ain't nothing but some black duct tape away from being 100% awesome. Man. Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Now we're back. Back on the attack. Pro stock. Man. Looking good. Well, I say Trojan horse. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I was never, I don't say never, but I was not a huge fan of how Trojan looked. I just, in certain stages of them, I didn't love it. The look wore off on me. But I definitely digging this a lot more. I don't know, I just like it. So we gotta clean the windshield. We still gotta adjust the clutch, and then we need to make sure like everything works, the water pump and stuff, because I haven't driven it in a while. So yeah. All right, cool. Woo, yay to me. We got the clutch adjusted. We got our pie pan laid up here in case we want to make a pie. Who doesn't like pie? I might just add a degree or two of timing just for the heck of it. We ran this car a couple times at the track, so the best it's ever went 682. We might be able, I mean, I don't know if we'll get to the 670s with this thing. I mean, everyone always makes fun of it because it smokes like a freight train. I mean, it's wore out, but that's the beauty of it, is that it's completely wore out and still runs halfway decent. So just keep on keeping on until it can't keep on no more. Wow, we can use a new set of plug wires too. We got a lot of electrical tape on these boots. But yeah, I might just put a degree or two of timing in it. I'm gonna fire it up and clean off the balancer with a wire brush while it's running, and then take a look at it and see what we got. Put a little timing in it. Yes, it's got an exhaust leak. Check it. Smoke screen. Hit the two-step, blow a bunch of smoke. Alright. Cool. We didn't even have to steal a boat. We made it, made it better. It ain't going nowhere. It'll just break now. I mean, the sides of it, it'll split. That's gonna be a wrap. I know, whatever. Keeping it short.
I don't know what the thumbnail is going to be, so I'm not trying to clickbait anybody. Maybe a picture of it sitting at the track. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to test and tune tomorrow. We got the battery fixed. We got the box fixed. We got the clutch cable adjusted. We put a tiny smidge more timing in it. Everything works. We fixed the tail light deal. I forgot about that. We got the scoop back on. We took the spoiler off, so it looks more like the way I want it to look. So in the morning, we'll probably spray it off a little bit and wash the windshield off, and then take them up there and let them rip. I'm not even sure what the weather temperature wise is supposed to be. Probably like 70, something like that. So anyway, it's going to be me, Kevin, Kyle, and Eric, Pirates Out to Sea, raiding and pillaging. And David is, I don't know what David's doing. Not racing, I know that much. So I guess that's it. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the ways you got to support the channel, right, Henry? Couldn't do it without you, and we wouldn't want to, but especially thanks for watching. And until next time on the Substandard Leader Box Body videos on this here man's YouTube, 1 year, single plane, 5-speed, 5.0 push rod, Lincoln Town Cars, Ford drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, working on it, redecorating. We're moving a few pieces of furniture around, giving it a little bit more feng shui. We can have a little bit more fun with it. Of Club Big Boost. And as always, fighting that good fight against those zombie Mustangs and that rascal Dr. Fear. Wish me luck tomorrow. We'll see you guys in the next video, and I promise it will have action in it.